Hello my crochet friends, welcome and welcome back to my creative studio. I prepared another part of the story about crocheting my amazing temperature caterpillar. Every month I prepared a video tutorial how to crochet one more ball, and this talking is about the March. I love this month. It's still quite chilly in the morning, and in the afternoon you can enjoy the sun outside and also the crocheting outside. But back to my temperature project. I use the project sheet and I mark the highest temperature every day, and according to the highest temperature I always choose the color according to my temperature scale and start crocheting. The crocheting is quite easy. I work in spiral rounds and increasing by 6 stitches. So in the first round I started with 6 single crochet stitches, then I do increase by 6, so to 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48, and then I continue with no increase, and I add a row. One row consists of 2 days, so sometimes it happens that I finish one color in the middle of the row and I have to start a new color. So guys, I started, as you can see, with the light blue, then continue with the light green and finish the first week with the green color. I always crochet week by week, and sometimes it's a temperature adventure. As you can see, the second week we already had temperatures around 18 degrees Celsius. It's this bright yellow color, and in Europe it's a temperature when you can really enjoy the weather outside, just wearing the t-shirts and shorts, which is perfect. So I will add this nice yellow color, and this is the first day I'm using this yarn. Perfect. I'm always guessing and I'm surprised how many skeins I will use for one ball. In February I used 6 colors, 6 balls. And as you can see, I already used 5, and I'm in the middle of my crocheting. I'm in the middle of this ball. So this is it. Then suddenly the temperatures went down. It was quite cold, around the 0 and the minus in the morning, and then the temperatures went up again, and we enjoyed the amazing weekend with 17 and 18 degrees. So I used the light blue, dark blue, then the light green, green and yellow. Perfect. So this is it. So I will add these rounds, these colorful rounds. This is it. Now it's amazing. I love the combination blue and yellow, and as you can see the colors are changing nicely. Perfect. So guys, one more week to be added and I will show you how my ball is finished. Okay, once I finished 18 rounds, this is it, I started decreasing. You see, again by 6 stitches, so from 48 to 42, then 36, 30, 24, 18, 12 and 6. If you will need my support and advice how to decrease, please don't hesitate to contact me. So these temperatures I measured in the last week, so I will continue crocheting and finish the ball. This is it, guys. I love it. It's cheerful and bright. I'm also happy with the yarn I chose for this temperature caterpillar, as working with these bright colors is I think much more better than with some natural color, but well, it's fully up to you. I also crocheted the legs. Again, I'm changing the colors according to temperature scale. So now I crocheted the legs with dark blue, and the next one will be with the light blue, then light green, green, and so on. So guys, this is it. I sewed the legs and the body. The legs are joined with the balls in the middle, and the caterpillar can stand on them. So guys, this is it. This is my March ball. I'm so happy how the caterpillar turned out. By now I used 5 colors for the March, and the caterpillars is really fun, cheerful, happy, and I love it. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the temperature crocheting with me, and I would like to wish you really happy spring crocheting. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.